to SURAKARTA. Today, I want to tell you about a famous story, and the title is The Legend of Malin Kundang. I'm sure most of you know about it, but how makes the story more interesting than you? Are you ready? Alright, listen to my story. A long time ago, in a small village near the beach in West Sumatra, lived a poor woman and her son. They were Malin Kundang and his mother. Malin's father was a single parent, Malin's father had passed away since Malin was a child. And Malin, he was a handsome, diligent, and strong boy. He always helped his mother to earn money by fishing. One day, Malin met his mother and asked her to allow him to find a better job in a big city. He said, "Mom, I want to go to a big city to find a better job. Please allow me, Mom." His mother answered sadly, "Please don't leave me alone, my son. You're my only son. I love you so much." Malin was eager to change their life. He said, "But how do I know? I promise I'll pay for you." Finally, with a hard feeling, Malin's mother allowed him to find a better job in a big city. She said, "Alright, son, I allow you to go, but you must stay a promise to me, okay?" With a big smile, Malin answered happily, "Of course, I'll pay for you and make you happy someday." In the early morning, Malin went to a big city by a big ship. Happy audience, do you know what happened next? Well, I'll continue my story. In a big city, Malin boarded in a big ship. Malin was a handsome and diligent boy, so many women fell in love with him, including the daughter of the richest person in the city. Fortunately, Malin also fell in love with her. In order to marry the girl, he worked harder and harder until he got success and married the girl. Anyways, guys, that always helped me thinking about Malin. Actually, as a human being, he also has one thing, like his religion and never give up to get success. It's proof, wasn't it? But how was his mother? She was getting old and sad. She came to a shop every morning waiting for her son while singing. People around her took pity when looking at Malin's mother. And when there was a shifting, she always came through and asked about her son. "Hey, do you see Malin? Son? Where's Malin?" The captain of the ship and answered, "No, there's no one named Malin, sorry." Malin's mother was upset. She went back to her house, and it happened again and again. Well, happy audience, we back to Malin. How was he? Years passed. Malin became a rich merchant and had a beautiful wife. But he forgot his promise to his mother. One morning, his wife asked him to go vacation. And hearing his wife's request, Malin prepared his big luxurious and elderly self. However, in the middle of his voyage, he saw her sick. And therefore, the ship had to port in the closest island. And Vidyadari was the island where Malin was born. And because of that, many people came to see a big luxurious ship, including Malin's mother. When they saw Malin in action, they screamed, "Malin's home! Malin's home!" Malin's mother heard that. She was shocked and wept heavily, and she ran to her son and said, "Malin, is that you, Malin? My beloved son? Do you remember me and your mother?" Malin became ashamed, and Malin became ashamed to admit his mother. He answered arrogantly, "Mother? No, mother. I don't know if it's for old woman." Malin actually yelled at his mother. He said, "Hey, you poor old woman, get off my ship." Malin's mother, hearing that, Malin's mother begged sadly, "What do you mean, Malin? Why, don't you remember a promise? Why are you so cruel? I'm your mother." And then Malin answered loudly, "You are not my mother. My mother was dead." Hearing that, the old woman was really hurt. She got up on the ship. She cried and lay up on the ground. She said, "Oh my God, you know what happened to me. Please, do you want to do?" Audience, do you know what happened next? Well, I'll tell you. Suddenly, the wind blew hard, the sky getting dark, and the storm destroyed my children. And because all of that, Malin cried loudly, "Mother, please help me, mother, forgive me, please." But it was too late. He cursed into a stone, and now he can see the stone and rest. That's all for me. Thanks for listening to me.